what if a sister asks to read books and do Nafl ibadah as her Mahr, as her dowry? What is the ruling on this? The issue of dowry, which a wife is entitled for before the marriage contract is done, and it's her right in Islam, the scholars say it has to be monetized. It has to have a value. So it can be something tangible, like money, like gold, like a particular set of books, a car, or a benefit from something that's worth money, such as the rent of an apartment for a year, or to live in an apartment for a particular number of months, or her dowry is to drive a car of a certain nature for 2 years. These all have values, because driving a car for 2 years means I would pay the rent of X amount in order to get that car. So anything that is tangible, that has a value, can be used as a mahr or as a dowry. Reading books can't be monetized, can't be evaluated in terms of money. Offering 20 rak'ahs can't be monetized. So such things would appear wrong when the woman seeks khula. So they got married. The woman says, my mahr is that you fast every Monday and Thursday. The guy says, okay. And he fasts every Monday and Thursday, and they're married for a year. Then the woman finds out that he's not the right husband for her. She asks for divorce, and the guy says, no, I don't want to divorce you. I love you. So she files for khula. So they go to the court, and the judge says, return her dowry. The man says, I didn't give her any dowry. She asked me to fast every Mondays and Thursday, and I did that. So what should she return to me now? So this is problematic. Musa, peace be upon him, when he fled Pharaoh after killing the Coptic, and he met that righteous man who had 2 daughters, and he offered one of his daughters as a wife in compensation for Musa to work for him for 10 years or 8 years. Then if he would to complete 10, that would be fine. Musa did the work. That work can be valued, because to hire a man to work for you for a year, you have to pay an X amount of money. So after 10 years, as if he had paid that amount of money. If she wanted khula, she would have been forced to give him the same amount of money. But when it comes to fasting Mondays and Thursdays, when it comes to memorizing Surah Al-Baqarah, so I will not marry you until you memorize Surah Al-Baqarah, and I memorized it. She wants khula. This is the problem. So asking for a dowry that has no specific tangible value is not permissible, and she has to ask for something that has monetary value.